So you want to know how to get dope custom watch faces and watch bands for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or even your Watch 4. I don't know, I got you. This is the video you guys need to watch. I am the smartwatch guru, yo plug CJ. Let's get into the video, you guys. I'm finna show you everything you need to know. Now, I have made this video in the past, but a few of the steps have changed because now we're on Wear OS, Android Wear OS. No longer just strictly Tizen. Samsung has, collabed with Android, and they got Android Wear OS with Tizen, and that's what it is. So a few of the steps have changed, but let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys the fundamentals. As you guys can see, a player got a lot of watch faces, you know what I mean? And they're all custom and they're all dope, and the best part of all, they're all free. Now, for full transparency, there's an app that you need that's gonna cost you something, and that app is called Watchmaker app. Gotta get that Watchmaker app. You already know the vibes. Just downloaded it out of the Galaxy store. That is exactly where you're gonna go to get it. What I love about Watchmaker is not so much the app, well, it's the app too, but it's the community, because the community are the people who are creating these watch faces and giving them to the community for free. So I'm gonna share the website where you can go and download these watch faces for free, but you have to pay for the app. Now, Watchmaker is free, but you need the premium, which is gonna cost you. You guys can see right there, I have two watchmakers. One is the premium and one is the regular. Once you get the premium, you just click on it and then it activates premium mode on your full version of the watchmaker and so forth. So you're gonna need to get that app. And there's another thing. The app also has a companion app, which is what goes onto the smartwatch, and that's what talks to the smartwatch and allows watch faces to be transferred, and they speak to each other. So the Watchmaker app for the phone is gonna cost, and then the Watchmaker app for the smartwatch should cost as well, the companion app. Now, I'm not 100% sure if it costs on Android Wear or whatever. All I know is in the past, I've paid for Watchmaker Companion and I've paid for the Watchmaker Premium. So you're gonna get your Watchmaker, right? And then you get your Watchmaker Companion app loaded onto your Wear OS device. Now, how do you do that? It's simple. You guys kind of gotta go into the Play Store on the watch, and then if you scroll down, there's a section for watch faces. It's so easy. And then in there, you're gonna see watch faces right here. It's this app right here. So you're gonna click on that, it's gonna download, and then it's gonna make sure that you have the app on your smartphone. Now, there's a key thing that you need to do, you guys, when inside of Watchmaker. Let me show you. Now, when you're in here and under settings for your watch, this is the key thing. As you guys can see, I do not have a Samsung Gear watch selected. That's because we're on Wear OS. So you will need to select a watch that has Android Wear OS in here. So I just chose the Huawei Watch 2 as my watch. This step is key, trust me. And that's gonna allow the two apps to speak properly. Because if you choose a Samsung under watch, it thinks that you're speaking to a Tizen smartwatch and it has a different process in communication. So please just choose the Huawei Watch 2 like I did and you will be set to go. Now, watch faces. How do you get the watch faces, CJ? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold up, player. Now let me go to this website. I don't think I've went to it on this. Let's see, have I went to it on here? I think I did. Here it is. Okay. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna head to this website that I've linked down in the description below. Yes, it's linked down in the description below. Let me say that again for the people who slow. In the description below, there is a link. I play. I mean, the only reason I'm doing that because the last video, everyone just kept asking, like I didn't show them. So you're gonna scroll down on this website and you're gonna see, look at these watch faces. You see this? This says Rolex watch faces. Oh, let me click on one. So if I click on the Submariner watch, you're gonna scroll down all the way until you see, where's the link? Hold on, right here, download. Click on download, and it's gonna take you to Dropbox. All you have to do is hit continue to website. You're gonna hit this download right here, and then you're gonna tap direct download. And then you're gonna hit download, and literally it's gonna download it to your files. Now, in the past, on previous, I had it just pop up and go straight into the Watchmaker app. Well, it doesn't do that on here. So how do I find it? How do I activate it, CJ? I'm gonna show you. This is another key point. It's actually really, really easy. You're gonna open up Watchmaker. Oh, let's get up out of the settings, because, that's what we did. And then you're gonna go into My Watches, and there's this 3 dots that you're gonna tap right there in the corner. You're gonna tap on Import Watch. and it's gonna pull up your files with all of your downloaded watches. Literally all you do is tap, and then it will be downloaded into your My Watch library. And then here's where you have the fun. You're gonna tap the three dots next to the watch face you want. You're gonna tap set watch face. And if I do that, as you guys can see, it's literally sending it. Well, you're gonna see like a loading wheel go across your watch the first time you do it, because it has send it to the watch. And once it's sent to the watch, it's actually on the watch. So right now I'm just telling the watch which watch face I want it to show. So let me show you guys a couple of them really quick. Just show you guys a handful, you know what I mean? Let's swag it out real quick. I love these burgundy faces like this right here. Wow, looks so good on the silver. Look at that right there. Doesn't it look good? Woo! And I always keep the always on display, which is gonna kill battery. Gotta keep it a buck. But, I mean, it looks good, so that way when I drop my wrist down like this, say, it just goes to a darker version, and then when I lift it up, it gets lighter like that, as you guys can see. So that is the Rolex Oyster Sky Dweller Perpetual. Somebody was asking me where did I get it? I just gave you the website down in the description, player. And then they got a couple other brands as well. You know what I mean? We got this one right here, which is Fortis, boom. And then we also have some Breitlings. Let me set that on there as well. Breitling. Ooh, I like this one. This is another nice blue rolly face. Just check that out right there. Booyah! And this works on all Samsung Galaxy watches. As you can see on my Watch 4 Classic, I also have some watch faces. Let me go ahead and customize, and we're gonna switch it up. See what we got on here. Ooh, let's put this on here. This two-door watch face right here, as you can see. Bam! Look at that swag, man. Custom watch faces just take your Galaxy watch to the next level. Another thing you can do is you can do a search for watchmaker watch faces on the internet and find other watch faces that have been made by the public for the public. And that's the great thing about the Watchmaker app. Now granted, you don't have to buy any of the watch faces that are in the Watchmaker app. Sometimes Watchmaker gets annoying with all the little, it tries to like promote stuff. You know, I turn off notifications from it and I just ignore it. I'm using it as my catalyst to help me get these free dope custom watch faces that the community has created for us to share and indulge in. There's also another app, which I didn't really use this app this time. Let me see, where is it? I'm gonna show you guys, because it used to be a website that I went to, WatchAware, and on here you can probably like search. See right here, I got these Casios. Let me hit install. I don't know if this one's working anymore. Oh, yep, here we go. Let's see. You can open it in Watchmaker faces, and then that watch face should load. There it is. Boom. So that's an app that has these dope watch faces. I'm gonna send it to the watch right now so you guys can see how that works. Boom. So as you guys can see, when you first send it, there's this loading screen that's gonna, you know, go through the process of sending it. And sometimes it could take a little minute, but just be patient. So here we go, we almost there. Come on, Samsung, let's get it. Trying to keep the video going, baby. Trying to keep it snappy, player. Boom. So there we go. Now they got a lot of cool little digital Casio watch faces and stuff in that app. And as you saw, that app speaks or sends directly to the Watchmaker app. So actually, I don't even know why I don't have this app in this folder. Boom. Now, if you guys are liking my dope custom Z Fold 3 setup, I'm gonna be doing a video showing you guys that actually after I record this video. So I don't think they have Rolexes in here. Let's see. So they do got like a couple Roly faces in there, you know what I mean? Nothing crazy, but that's another way. So I just gave you guys 2 resources, as well as you guys can search the web for Watchmaker watch faces, find them, and just download them and then send them directly or import them. You know how it goes now that I've showed you. So this is the way that you get really dope custom watch faces for your Galaxy watch. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. So hit the internet and find a ton of watch faces, player. I got you. Now, let's talk about the watch bands. I wanna show you guys these watch bands. Now on this one, I have this nice stainless steel traditional watch band on my 46mm, and then I have this nice Milanese stainless steel watch band on my 42mm. But guess what? They're both swappable and interchangeable because they're both 20mm set. If you're gonna find a watch band that's custom, you have to get 20mm. That's for both the 42mm and the 46mm as well as on the Galaxy Watch. And actually, let me turn this Galaxy Watch on. You can do custom watch faces on here too. Oh wait, actually I didn't set it up on there. But you can do it on there. I just think it looks a little different because you got the black bezel and it doesn't look as good in my personal opinion. So, let me swap out these watch bands real quick because someone wanted to see this Milanese band on the 46mm, and I told you I would do it, so I'm gonna do it. I'm a man of the people. I got you. Got that one off. Actually, putting them on isn't easy. Taking it off was kind of easy. All right, let's see. All right, boom. So here is the 46mm with the Milanese band. I really love this look as well, and I love this band because it wears extremely comfortable. It's so adjustable, so you can fine tune it exactly for your wrist, and it looks good as well. So you guys can see, hold on, let's switch up the watch face one time. Change the watch face, got the watch band, and that is the Milanese on the 46mm. Now, let me put my other band on this one. Get it clipped in, boom, look at that. Oh no, we ain't using no Bixby, hold up, player. All right, so I'm gonna put this one on my right wrist so you guys can see. I mean my left wrist, what I'm talking about. Cause that's the wrist that I wear the watch on only. Boom. Look at that right there, 42mm with that. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Gotta love it. It looks really good, like that. Boom. So there will be Amazon links to both of these watch straps down below. So go check it out if you guys want it. Boom. All right, now let me switch it back to the way that I really like it. Woo, 46mm back in full effect, baby, let's go. So that right there is a video showing you guys how to customize and hook up your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, Galaxy Watch 4 if you choose to. Links are down in the description below to the website you need to go to in order to get the watch faces, as well as if you want these stainless steel watch bands that I showed you in this video, I have Amazon links to these down in the description below. My name is CJ, I am your smartwatch guru, baby. Now y'all got the swag to go out there and kill them, so but go hit them hard, player, let them know where the swag is at, and that's with the Samsung Galaxy watches always, baby. I love you guys, appreciate you guys, thank you for the support.
No. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. No. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them.
Getting a phone call. Hey y'all, tell Tim Apple that it's Samsung season. Alright, players?
I was faking, had to find me. Now I'm on B skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side.